What if fashion was no longer about choosing what to wear, but about letting AI decide for you? Imagine clothes that change color with your mood, print themselves overnight, and know exactly how to make you look your best. This is the future of clothing, and it's closer than you think. Today, shopping for clothes often feels like guesswork. Sizes rarely match, returns pile up, and even when you find something you like, it may not feel quite right. In the near future, AI will eliminate that uncertainty. Advanced systems will scan your body in real time, mapping not just your size, but also your posture, the way you walk, and even your bone structure. This digital twin of your body will allow AI to design a wardrobe perfectly suited to you. It will anticipate what you need before you know it yourself, predicting your style preferences based on the season, your mood, and even subtle changes in your routine. If your calendar shows a big meeting next week, your AI stylist will prepare a sleek, formal look. If the weekend forecast promises sunshine, your wardrobe will adjust with lighter, more colorful fabrics. The clothes themselves will no longer be passive. Imagine fabrics embedded with nanotechnology, constantly adapting to your needs. A jacket that feels too warm in the sun could automatically cool down, while the same jacket would insulate you in the evening chill. Tears and holes may no longer spell the end of a garment. Smart textiles could repair themselves, weaving fibers back together within minutes. Some experimental labs are even developing fabrics that generate electricity as you move, turning your daily walk into a power source for your devices. And beyond function, fashion will become expressive in new ways. Your shirt might glow in sync with your heartbeat, or shift its patterns in response to your emotions. Fashion today is one of the world's most polluting industries, driven by mass production and waste. AI promises to rewrite that story. Instead of producing millions of identical items, AI will create clothes on demand, one piece at a time, tailored exactly for the person who orders them. Imagine ordering a dress at night, and by morning, it's been 3D printed at a local hub in your city. No global shipping, no leftover stock, and no wasted fabric. Old garments will no longer end up in landfills. Guided recycling systems will break them down into raw fibers and transform them into new outfits within hours. The result is a circular, efficient industry where waste simply doesn't exist. Fashion has always been about identity, about saying who we are without words. But what happens when AI knows your taste better than you do? If your clothes are chosen by algorithms that detect your mood, your schedule, and your habits, then is your style still an expression of you or of the machine that shapes it? We may begin to see algorithmic tribes, groups of people whose clothes all bear the subtle fingerprints of the same AI taste engines. At the same time, no two individuals may ever look alike again, because their AI stylists constantly differentiate them. Fashion could become a living social signal, adjusting minute by minute, formal for work, expressive with friends, subdued when you want to be left alone. Fast fashion as we know it may not survive this transformation. The idea of mass-produced seasonal collections will lose relevance when every garment is designed for a single individual at a single moment in time. Instead of sketching hundreds of designs for mass production, fashion designers may become algorithm trainers. Their new role will be to feed AI systems with inspiration, cultural references, and artistic values. They will shape the rules and aesthetics that guide what the algorithms create. A designer may act like a conductor with an orchestra, giving themes and emotions, while the AI generates countless variations. This could make fashion richer and more diverse than ever before, but it also raises a question. When algorithms generate the final product, who owns the artistry? Looking further ahead, clothing and biology may merge. Biofabrics could be grown like living organisms, wrapping around your body as they grow and adapt. Neural-linked outfits could respond directly to your thoughts, changing your look as fast as your imagination. Identity itself may become fluid. With a single thought, you could shift cultural symbols in your outfit or wear styles from another century. Fashion may no longer be something you put on and take off. It could become a second skin, protective, adaptive, and endlessly expressive. The future of fashion is no longer just about fabrics or trends. It's about sustainability, identity, and creativity in an age where algorithms may know us better than we know ourselves. Would you let AI dress you, knowing it might understand your style and even your soul better than you do? Subscribe for more explorations into how AI is reshaping our everyday lives.